Hi everyone, welcome to Bangkok, Thailand. We are in very tropical atmosphere. You can see all around it's more than 35 degrees. It's really hot. And we are in one district of Bangkok to see our one of a very good, very loyal, a very friendly customer who is using ring maker more than 5 years, and he is really professional in ring maker. Let's have a look how is business going in Thailand, in Bangkok. 70 up. This is Kalan, our partner in Bangkok, following all our business in Thailand, and here is our customers who is already very professional in ring maker. You can see plenty of machines are working here, and now we're gonna look which kind of modality he's doing and how come he advanced on ring maker. Can you ask how is the machines? How are the machines? Is he happy or he needs to add something develop or he is like
ดีแล้วก็สมบูรณ์แบบเยียบทุกอย่าง
everything okay? Yeah.
Everything okay.
Everything okay?
It's a great and everything good.
But we keep developing. For example, in this customer we have two ring maker machines. One is 2019, one is 2022, 23 I think. So even between the machines you can see many developments because we keep developing our machines depending on the request from customers. So here is a factory with several floors. Ground floor we are using the CNC machines, and I think more machines coming.
ก็คือเดี๋ยวเราจะมีการพัฒนาเอาเกี่ยวกับเรื่องเครื่องไปเรื่อยๆเราไม่หยุดพัฒนาสิ่งตัวนี้ค่ะเราจะในอย่างสุดท้ายเนี่ยที่เราได้เห็นเนี่ยคือขั้นล่างจะอัพงานข้างบนก็คงจะเครื่องอื่นๆมากมายเรายังไม่หยุดพัฒนาแต่ไม่เท่านี้ค่ะเป็นโกริส
Yeah. This one is our technical manager in Bangkok. He's following the Thailand customer and the region. Hello. Very strong technical team. You are following the technical support of our customers in Thailand and the area.
Yes, greetings. So if you buy a Bulunmaz machine in Thailand, the chances that you meet me as a technical support assistant is 100%.
Do you have any difficulty with technical support in the Thailand and the area with our products?
With the products and the support, no, but I'm still learning the Thai language, so normally I need a translator if the customer don't speak English.
We all speak Thai, and so this one also speaking Thai. Okay, and
No, it is.
everything up. And last, I will work.
Yes.